Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Power Technology Academy. My name is Babak Nia, and for today I'm going to talk about electromagnetic relay. So my concentration will be on time current curve characteristics. So next video I will talk about 501 cell product Schweitzer, and definitely you know 501 is a smart relay. And after 501 I will give you another video about cell 751. So let's move your mouse cursor to the right side and try to pick overcurrent relay. Click on this overcurrent relay, go to input section. I don't have any current transformer connected to this overcurrent relay, so I can set my current transformer specification manually, 505. After setting this one, I can go to OCR. I'm going to pick my relay from library information. So click on library and in manufacturer section type G and try to pick G multi-lean. In model section type I and go down and try to select IAC 51-52-60. Press OK. If you would like to review information of the relay, you have information of the relay here. You have overcurrent and you have instantaneous setup or specification. So my first objective here is to study time dial setup and effect of time dial setup. So let's turn off instantaneous section. My pickup range is between 0 to 2. I prefer to set this one to 0. or 1.5 to 6. And I'm going to set my pickup current to 2. So pickup current 2 is in secondary side of current transformer and is equal to 200 in primary side. My time dial is 0.5. I'm going to set this one to 1. And let's press OK. Move your mouse cursor to star, protection and coordination. Pick your relay. Move your mouse cursor to create a star view. And definitely you can see, I can see the time current curve. And this time current curve is inverse definite time curve. Similar to circuit breaker, if you would like to increase quality of the figure, you can click on plot option, go to access, in tick mark, click on font, set the font size to 10 and press OK and OK. If you would like have some idea about relationship between current and time, move your mouse cursor to crosshair, try to bring it somewhere in the curve and click. I'm going to right click, go to plot option and try to change my font size to 60, apply and press OK. Move your mouse cursor when you can see this cross symbol. You can move your crosshair up and down and you can see real current and also corresponding delay time. So Let's study what is effect of time dial. When I'm going to set up different time dial, for example, 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, I'm going to close this star view setup. So, and I'm going to remove few of my old setup and go to edit mode, select the circuit breaker, copy circuit breaker, and paste the circuit breaker for few times. So take a look, I have 4 circuit breaker. Go to star protection and coordination, pick all 4 relay, but before doing something, I'm going to modify my relay name here. I have relay 1, 3, 5, and 6. So let's go to system dumpster and try to remove whatever I have here. So I'm going to change this one to relay number 2, relay number 3, and relay number 4. So I have 4 relay. Pick all 4 relay. Take a look, all of them are red. Move your mouse cursor to the right side and click on create a star view. I have my relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, and relay 4. I don't want to adjust, to change anything about relay 1. I'm going to modify time dial for the second relay. Move your mouse cursor to relay 2 and set the time dial to 2 and press OK. Oh, as you can see, the time dial jumped up. Click on relay 3, set the time dial to 4 and press OK. Oh, take a look, jumped up again. And click on relay 4 and set the time dial, let's consider 8 and press OK. So take a look, I have 4 different time dial. One of them belongs to relay 1, one of them belongs to relay 2, relay 3, and relay 4. So let's do some adjustment to have better quality figure. Plot option, access, tick mark, font 10. So I can see my current information more clear. I'm going to find my relay 1. So this one is my relay 1. So take a look, relay 1 is connected to my red curve. So right click and try add setting. So I have all required setting for relay number 1. Again, font is either small, right click, plot, and try to change font to 14 and ID font to 14.2 and apply. So I can see information for the first relay. It's a little big compared with the curve I have, so I'm going to modify the size to 12 instead of 14 to have a little more space for rest of the figure I'm going to add. So apply and OK. So this is my information about first curve. I can find the second relay. I can do exactly same things. I need to add setting, and also I need to modify the font size. So move to 12 and next one to 12 too. apply. So this one is my information for the second curve. And if I try to move this one to the bottom, I have information for curve 3 and curve 4. So let's go to plot option and try to change the size to 12 and apply. And for the other relay, plot option and ID font to 12 and apply. So definitely you remember the selected time dial was equal to 1, 2, and selected time dial for 4 is 8, and selected time dial for 3 is 4. So 1, 2, 4, 8. So what happened? When I'm trying to increase my time dial, my relay specification inverse curve jumped up, jumped up, jumped up. So what is meaning of jumped up? That means more delay. So let's take a look. I'm going to set same current. Let's assume this current is approximately 700, 600 amp. So let's change the font size to a big number, which we can see easier. So for 690 amp, delay for time dial 1 is 0.51 second. Move your mouse cursor to this crosshair and move it to the second curve. So for approximately 600 amp, delay is 9. Move to the next. Delay is 1.93. And move to the next. Delay is 4 seconds. So greater time dial, that means greater delay for the same current.